Om Namo Venkateshaya Namaha. Today our awareness class is about electrohomeopathy and art system, plants and flowers, electricity medical system developed and modified by SVPSO International non-profit organization Bharat, and homeopathy, allopathy, plants, flowers, salt systems, naturopathy and Ayurveda system, etc. For example, if you take electrohomeopathy and art system, plants and flower medical system developed and modified by SVPSO International non-profit organization Hindustan for pain relief, for pain cure, for injury cure, pain plant electricity medicine in LN3 dose or other potency is given. It's a complex remedy, 7 plants remedy or 14 plants remedy. It can cure any injury or pain problem. It's a complex remedy available in the form of tablets, drops, injections, and external supporting system is also available here. Temperaments, mental and physical symptoms important, and reports also important, medical reports. So based on that, treatment will be given. It's a wonderful medical system, can cure all diseases and health problems and surgery cases too of humans, animals and birds too. If you take homeopathy, it's a single remedy system. Though it is single remedy, it's a good system. No side effects. For pain relief, for injury cure, arnica medicine is given. Here in this system, patients should not hide symptoms and doctors must be multi-talented and they should know external supporting systems too for best results. In Ayurvedic system, many diseases curable. For example, for pain relief, here, crude form complex remedy given or Vamu plant, menthol plant, medicine, etc. given. It is also a nice system, but yogis type doctors needed for best results. In naturopathy, mud treatment, soil treatment, water treatment, and some yogasana, etc. Pain problem will be cured. Injury problem will be cured. And many diseases are curable by this system. It is also a good system. Some doctors also use some herbs, some herbal medicines. This is about naturopathy. Okay. Now, let us discuss about allopathy. Allopathy is a chemical drugs medicine system and surgery system. If you want to use allopathy medicines, means English medicines, you have to use only for short time, 1 week, 10 days, etc. Because these are chemical drugs, give more side effects, many problems. And you have to think about surgery in final stage only. Don't addict to chemical drugs and surgeries. Most of surgeries either fail or cause problems. So, not to depend on chemical drugs and surgeries. Allopathy medicines only for short-term use and surgery in final stage. In salts remedy for pain relief, Natramur, Magnesia Phos, Ferrum Phos, etc. medicine given. In flower medicines, cherry plum plant medicine, cherry plum flower medicine, etc. given. Yellow jasmine plant medicine, etc. given. The source is one, ways are different. God is one, ways are different. Medicine source one.